Let's explore.
Well, good morning. We are still in Byron Bay. We've come down to the beach. It's just after 7 o'clock in the morning. Phil's taken the drone up to get some shots. It's a bit grey today, but we're still going to make the most of our day. We're going to show you a bit more of Byron Bay, train ride and a lunch. It's the first solar powered train. Looking forward to that one later on today.
For better days to come and carry us like wind in our sails. Hold on tight, I can smell the shore, it's right in front of us if we just hold on.
Lots of driftwood along the beach and someone's built themselves a shelter.
Getting closer every dawn.
In the last couple of minutes, the beach has definitely got busier. Nice green area above the beach. Lots of seats to sit and watch the rolling waves.
Where we belong, just wait. Wait for our home to show on the horizon. Soon we'll be there.
Quicksilver. What's a beach area without some Roxy and Quicksilver for sale? The Rainbow Shop, just to get back to its hippie days. Byron doesn't feel as hippie as I thought it would.
No, I think it's
I quite like the look of that place. How cool is this place? Coffee. His latte art's not bad, eh? What are you having for breakfast, Phil?
Bacon egg roll. A coffee.
A bangalow.
Oh, bangalow.
Get it right. And so am I. How cool is this little seating room?
We are dreamers of the shore.
You have to pay for parking here, whether you've got a parks pass or not. And we paid $2 for 30 minutes parking just to come and have a bit of a look around. Wategos Beach. It's actually a fairly popular surf beach, but the weather's a bit inclement today, so not really many surfers out, a bit choppy, a bit flat. Are you a beach in bad weather person, or do you just come when it's sunny? There's something romantic and foreboding, I reckon, about being on a beach when the days look like this, but I still love it. I'd love to hear your response in the comments below. What do you think of our wet day or miserable day?
It's a beautiful spot. It's a bit grey today, but it's nice. It's not too bleak. It's not raining, so it's nice.
Do you prefer the beach like this or on a hot day?
No, I don't like the too hot sun, so this isn't bad, but a bit warmer would be nice. The clouds are amazing over there. My shoe pins haven't washed away yet.
Does anybody know what those fruit are called? They're everywhere, or are they even a fruit? Does anybody know what the tree is and what the little bobbly things are? We would love to know. Having had a beautiful morning in town, it was time to head back to the van park and pick up our stuff before heading to the train. 1894 this was built, or at least the cast for the iron was made. Tourist Information Centre looks quite cute, really. You know how much I love a tourist information centre and how helpful they can be. Because of finding out our timetable for the train, we were able to go for a walk and discover a bit more of the shopping area of Byron Bay.
Byron Beach, 12:15.
This train is solar, hence why it's so quiet coming in. Oh, New South Wales leather. I remember this from a little girl. Yep.
Down that way, so that's it.
And how long's it been operating?
3 years now.
3.
Yeah.
Cool. And it's getting lots of service?
Lots of service, yeah.
Oh, excellent.
Yeah, we've just come back into being busier now that naturally we can have visitors. So roughly between 160 to 300 a day.
Wow.
We also have locals who have season tickets, and they buy those so they can come on any day because we run 7 days a week.
And do many locals take that up?
Yeah. Out where we stop, we've got the resort who actually own us.
Right.
So all the people from there use us as well.
Yep.
Yeah, but it's also well serviced because if you're living, say when we have the markets on here in the bay, pretty busy, to be honest with you. So not only is it busy, you have to pay for parking. So a lot of our locals will park out with us. It's all free.
Yep.
$10 on the train is cheaper than their car parking.
Yeah.
They don't have to worry about moving it.
Yeah.
So there are benefits to that as well.
Awesome. And it's Byron Bay Beach to...
Byron Beach to North Byron Beach.
And this is the only part of the railway line that's still functioning?
Yeah, the only 7 and a bit K that is, frustrating, but it's what it is.
Yeah.
Maybe one day.
Yeah.
I might be old and grey.
I was just reminiscing, we used to ride in these in the city. The red rat one's like this.
Yeah. This one actually was probably on the Newcastle line.
Oh, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, and this is a 1949 standard. So this one's 1949, the one at the front's 1961. So different configuration. Yeah. Different configuration, but same style. Aerospace built them. Yeah. So it's interesting.
Oh, we might come back in the 61.
Yeah, we'll make sure you go on the front.
Yeah. Thank you.
You're welcome.
That was interesting. What did you think?
It's good.
Yes, put your mask back on. You should have had it on the whole time. Yeah. We decided we needed an experience in Byron. Bought the lunch package as well. We're heading into the Sun Bistro to try out lunch. I know, I'm behind the yellow line, in front of the yellow line. We did the solar train from Byron Beach to North Beach and then had lunch at the Sun Bistro. It was amazing. It was really lovely. The atmosphere was great. The outside area has just been recently renovated this year, so it's all fresh, and it was really busy and it was really enjoyable. We're just waiting for the train to be able to catch the return train back to our car and continue on for the rest of our day. We've got one more stop we're planning before we call it quits for the day.
I live in there.
That's all right.
will arrive at your destination.
We've just arrived in the pretty little town of Bangalow to have a look in. One of our friends recommended that we pop in here and have a look. So, Bethany, we're popping in here and we're having a look.
Hear the birds and see the sun. Side by side our fears are done.
Post office. All this is just open park space with 2 playground areas, swamp area, lots of picnic tables, and Phil reckons lots of ducks. Not sure if the gates and the heritage house go together, but it's a museum that's closed, so we won't be going there today.
With you and I,
Well, we've nearly done a loop of the town. Lots of shopping and specialty shops. It's quite a quaint feeling. No, we are not in London. Australia used to have red phone boxes everywhere as well. We hope you enjoyed our wander around some more of Byron Bay and the train ride and our walk through Bangalow. Join us next week as we continue our trip looking at some of the hinterland towns and regions in this northern part of New South Wales.
side and through. No limit to what we
If you liked what you saw today and you want to see more, why not hit that like button? Hit the subscribe button and ring that little bell and you'll be notified of our upcoming videos. As always, thanks for joining us. Travel brilliantly. Bye. If you'd like to catch up on our northern New South Wales road trip, why not hit the playlist above or find us on social.